Tornado emergency for southern Wilcox County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Wilcox and eastern Crisp counties. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Double Run, or 12 miles northeast of Ashburn, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for southern Wilcox County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: public confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Abbeville, Rochelle, Arabi, Pineview, Pitts, East Crisp, Cedar Creek, Antioch Church, Pope City, Seville, Hatley, Browning, Pleasant View, Double Run, and Owensboro. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.